System Restore is a built-in feature in Microsoft Windows, allows users to revert their computer's system files, settings, and installed programs to a previous working state. It is particularly useful for troubleshooting and recovering from various software-related issues that might make your computer unstable or behave unexpectedly. However, this feature turned off by default on Windows PC, you need to manually enable it for the feature to function. To enable and configure System Restore, press Windows key +S, type Create a Restore Point, and select the top result to open the System Properties window. Under Protection Settings, look for your system drive. Usually it's C. If it says Off, System Restore is disabled. To enable it, select the C drive and click Configure. Then select Turn on System Protection option. Adjust the max usage slider to allocate disk space. 5 to 10% allocation is recommended. More space allows more restore points. Click Apply and OK. After doing this, Windows will automatically create restore points during important events like Windows updates or app installations. You can also create system restore points manually before making system changes like editing the registry or installing untested software. To do this again, open System Properties. Under System Protection tab, click the Create button. Enter a descriptive name for the restore point, such as before installing new software, and confirm the action. This will create a system restore point. It means capture a snapshot of your computer's current state, including operating system files, settings, and installed applications. And it allows you to revert your system to that point in time if something goes wrong, such as a software conflict or a system error. If at any point in time, your PC starts misbehaving, crashing, freezing, or showing errors, you can use System Restore to revert to a stable state. To do this, press Windows key +R, type rst rui.exe, and hit Enter. This will open the System Restore wizard. Alternatively, you can open it from Start menu, search for Recovery, and select it and click on Open System Restore. Also, you can perform System Restore from System Properties as well. Click Next in the System Restore wizard. Choose a restore point from the list. Select one from when your PC was working well. Click Scan for affected programs to see which apps or drivers will be removed, those installed after the restore point was created. Click Next, then Finish to start the process. Confirm by clicking Yes when warned that the process can't be interrupted. Your PC will restart, apply the restore point, and show a status report upon reboot like System Restore completed successfully. Well, after a recent driver update or software install, if your PC won't boot to the desktop, you can run System Restore from the Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE. It allows you to restore your computer to a previous state without having to reinstall the operating system. Hold the Shift key on keyboard, click Start menu, then Power and Restart or Boot with Recovery Media to access WinRE. Alternatively, open Settings. Go to System, then Recovery. Under Recovery Options, next to Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. On the Choose an Option screen, select the Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now click on System Restore option to open the wizard. Click Next, then select a restore point from the list. Use Scan for affected programs to review changes, then click Finish and Yes to start. Well, if system restore fails or stuck, try booting into safe mode and attempt the restore again. Some antivirus programs can interfere with the restoration process. Temporarily disable your antivirus software before attempting the system restore. If you have multiple restore points available, try choosing a different one that is closer in time to when the problem started. Again, if system files are damaged, the restore process might be unable to properly restore them. Open command prompt as administrator and run system file checker command sfc/scanno. I hope this video helped you understand what is system restore on Windows PC. Feel free to share your feedback on comments below. Thanks for watching.